So maybe you've wondered the main difference between a computer and a server. Well, a server is technically a computer. In your home network, the computer that you use to access maybe movies from other devices, that one is considered as a server. However, in big organizations, big companies, big buildings or data centers, there is a dedicated device that is identified as a server. And in this scenario, the main difference is mostly the work they do, the software that is installed on these devices, and also the specification and the capacity that they can take. A server in most cases is going to be built and installed with with software that is meant to serve. So ideally, let's take an example of a server, a device that you access movies from or you download documents, company documents from. This is going to be a server in its entirety, while a computer is ideally designed to serve one user at a time and serve them well with their functionalities. So when we look at the comparison between a server and a computer, first of all, we can look at the software itself. A computer has software that is meant to serve one user, while a server has software that is meant to serve multiple users, multiple requests at the same time. The reason I'm saying a computer serves one user is because your computer might have 3 user accounts: your account, your wife's account, or your husband's account, your daughter's account, your friend's account, but only one logged end user who's logged at that time can access services that the computer can provide. So for example, if you are logged in and you want to play a game, your friend cannot also log in to the same computer and access their documents. A server, on the other hand, is built to serve multiple users. In its case, users are the actual end devices, so it's connected to multiple devices as well. Another comparison that you can easily grasp to compare or differentiate between a server and a computer is the capacity it can serve itself. So since a computer is serving one person can be listening to music, watching a video, editing a photo, and at the same time writing notes on a document, while the server itself can respond to requests that are coming from 20 devices that are connected to it. One device is requesting for a web page, requesting for a video file, requesting for a document. Another device is requesting for a gameplay. Another device is requesting for some network configuration, the terminal itself, and all these configurations. Now, there are many comparisons that we can dive into to compare the two. But if you're studying fresh into the technology field, or if you're already in the tech field but you've been wondering between these two, these are some of the main differences that you can focus on. So let me know if I've skipped something that can be very beneficial to somebody who's just starting in the tech field and they're concerned or they're wondering what the main difference between a server and a computer is. Again, take note that a server is technically a computer, because ideally computers are everything right now. Anything that is taking in some digital input and outputting some digital output is some digital output. Yeah, for example, your phone is a computer, your smartwatch is a computer, your laptop is a computer, your desktop is a computer, a server is a computer. Now, one thing to add in, if in a scenario where you have a home network, so I have my computer and there is a friend's computer connected to my computer, that we can identify that as a what they call P2P network. So it's a peer-to-peer network. In that case, my computer can act as both a client and a server, and the other computer might also work as both a client and a server, meaning that when the friend wants to access a document from my machine, they are acting as a client, sending a request from my PC, and my PC is acting as a server, sending back. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I'm going to make maybe a more detailed version of this video, but I did it because I was asked what the main difference between a server and a computer is, and I hope I've done justice in the response. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and stay blessed.